Real life. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another work week in my life. If you are new, hi, my name is Rachel and I make work week in my life because I work a 9-to-5 job in marketing, but I also make nail polish videos and fashion videos and other things like that. So I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel if you are new, but if you're not, hey, you know me, what's up? So starting off another week, I have been so happy that you have been loving these videos. So thank you for all of your really kind comments. I have been liking to make them, and it's also, you know, just fitting because I do go to work every week. So it is fun to film my week in my life. Starting off another one this morning while I'm getting ready. My hair is like, I don't know. It's kind of like really flat, so I think I'm gonna pull it back, and it's also kind of humid today. So I'm gonna finish my hair in a second, but I think I found like the perfect spot for my camera in the morning because I have it on like a little tripod. Normally I stack it up in front of my mirror and like balance it on a bunch of things on the ledge. Let me show you. On the ledge in my bathroom, but instead I can lean it up against the ledge on my mirror on my little tripod here. And I think it works perfectly because it is the right height. I'm not like cut off on the top, and it's also not blocking my view, so I can still like do my hair and makeup and talk to you at the same time. So yeah, I'm just going to have to brush through my hair. Second day hair, but the curl kept pretty nicely, at least. I have surprisingly a lot of energy this morning, and I haven't even had my coffee yet. But I'm excited for the week ahead. I have a few exciting things coming up this week. I'm going to an event later. I have some exciting meetings at work today. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to it. I usually like to straighten a few of the pieces on the side. That was pretty easy. But yeah, I'm gonna head to work now and I will talk to you in a bit. I just got home from work, and at work we actually went out for lunch today to Salad King because it was our co-op's last week. They're finishing up on Friday. So I have leftovers for dinner and I'm really excited to eat this. And also it's just so wonderful coming home and not even having to think about what you're gonna have for dinner or what you're going to cook. I actually had packed myself lunch for work because I forgot that we were going out to lunch. So I left that in the fridge and I took the good leftovers home to eat for dinner, even though like I don't have a problem eating the same thing for lunch and dinner. Not like every day, but if it's good, it's good. So it's a pad thai, chicken pad thai with 1 chili. If you've ever been to Salad King, it's right next to Ryerson, which is where I went to school and did my undergrad. You know, if you went to Ryerson, you know Salad King. Let me know in the comment below if you are familiar with it. But yeah, it's delicious. On the agenda tonight is to clean up around here and do some work, probably some laundry too. Catch up on Bachelor in Paradise because I'm behind. So throw that on in the background while I'm cleaning and it'll be a good night. I just got back from the RW&CO event and this day has been amazing. I am so happy. I had a really great day at work and then I went to the RW&CO event and it was really awesome. I'm so excited for their fall collection. And then another amazing thing just happened. I got in the mail my YouTube silver play button for hitting 100,000 subscribers. I can't believe this. So I'm gonna put the camera down and open it up with you. So this is what the box looks like, and they've definitely changed it up and improved since I've seen these videos last, because I always see them in like huge boxes, but it's now just this slim black box, which is better for the environment because it's less waste. But yeah, it's just a sleek black box. The front of it says YouTube on it. Oh my god. A letter from YouTube. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. That's you. Oh my god. Yay! Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is so fun. I'm so excited. Presented to Pretty Polishes for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is so pretty. Very condo-esque too, it matches. Thank you once again for subscribing to my channel, and this wouldn't have been possible without you, obviously. But this means so much to me, and I honestly have been waiting for this moment forever. So thank you for helping me accomplish this. This is our plaque together. Now I gotta find a spot for it on the wall. But luckily I do have tools of my own and everything I need to hang this. But I'm not sure if I know exactly where I want to put it. I don't know if I'm gonna hang it tonight. So I want to take a moment to film a very real life moment here. So I have my computer here and I just crawled into bed, but I need to finish some work for work tomorrow. I have a presentation. So I just washed my face, washed off all my makeup, and like just got into comfy clothes because I have just been having the worst case of procrastination. I've been trying to finish this presentation since the weekend, actually, the weekend before. So then that didn't happen. So then Monday I was trying to do it. That didn't happen. Then Tuesday night I was gonna do this. That didn't happen. And now we're at Wednesday and I have to do the presentation tomorrow. So I obviously need to finish this tonight. And I can't do it at work tomorrow because I have straight meetings from 9 to 4, but the presentations at 12, and I have just been dragging my feet to do it. I don't even know why, and I feel like I've wasted more time procrastinating on doing it than the time it's actually going to take to complete it. So, and it's a moment stemming from me trying to be perfect at everything because I want something to be perfect, the end result, so I put off doing the task until I believe that it will be perfect. Like I have the right setting and the right mindset and I'm not tired, and until, you know, all elements around me have created the perfect setting for me to put together a perfect presentation. I think that's my mindset. So I'm trying to combat procrastination and perfectionism, and something that I used to do when I was in school and had to write essays, and I absolutely hated writing essays. And it also stemmed from like wanting it to be perfect. I know I would always get stressed out about like word count and things like that or like page limits that needed to be included in an essay. So what I would do is I would sit at my computer and I'd put a timer for like 20 or 30 minutes, usually 20 minutes, and I would tell myself that I am just going to type all my ideas. I'm not going to worry about paragraph structure or any sort of like topic, sentence, whatever structure. I was just going to write my ideas. And sometimes like it would just be a long train of thought, and like a paragraph would be one sentence, and then I would go back and edit it, obviously. But the process of just like having a brain dump and putting it on paper allowed me to then feel like I was accomplishing something and the task was already like halfway done, and then it wasn't so daunting to like get started, which is how I feel with this. So what I'm doing, that's stemming from my tactic of my essay writing, is building out the presentation structure and just dumping all my ideas onto the slides. And then what I actually enjoy doing is making the slides look pretty. So once all my ideas are there, then I can go through and like edit the content so that it makes sense and it's good quality. But it's then playing with different design elements and icons and stuff like that. That's my favorite part. And it's more enjoyable. So I just have to get the hard part done, which is the structure and my ideas and putting them all together and like making it flow. And then I can do the fun part, bringing it to life by making it look pretty. So anyways, I don't know, I'm just rambling right now because I just have been in a bad headspace all night, even though I had such a great day. The remainder of the night where I've been like trying to get myself to finish this presentation, I've been like fighting myself to do it and just kind of like ruining my whole night because I've been fighting myself to complete this task that is probably not even going to take me that long, but I just have to do it. And these are the moments that I don't often capture on vlog, but it's real life, and this is something that I go through. I'm pretty lucky that I don't take work off home with me too often, but I do a lot of like extracurricular things at work, so this is part of it. So it's outside of my day job. Wish me luck. I'm mildly embarrassed that I just vented to you and admitted that I was having a moment of like kind of a mental breakdown this evening trying to get this finished, which I'm blowing it way out of proportion and being way more dramatic than I need to be. But I also wanted to share this with you because I feel like there's a lot of vlogs out there that are like work week in my life, and it always shows people being super productive, and I also am guilty of this too. Obviously, I'm going to show you a highlight reel and show you when I'm being really productive, because I think that's one, entertaining to watch, and two, motivating to watch, because I'm showcasing what I do in a week and hoping to motivate you to accomplish that too. But it's also put together in a highlight reel. You're only seeing, you know, let's say 20 minutes of my week, and in reality I have moments like this where I am struggling and having a hard time and challenging myself. So yeah, I just wanted to be real and hope that this is relatable because it's my real life. I just got home from work and I am so relieved. My presentation went really well today, and I just felt like a ton of bricks had been lifted off of my shoulders when that was finished. I just feel so good now, but I really like my outfit today, so I want to show you what I wore. My makeup is no longer fresh, and same with my hair, but this is what I wore today. So I have had this skirt for a while, but I haven't worn it to work. It is from H&M, and I actually got it I think last year, and this style is still really in, just like a polyester material that has this texture to it. Then I am wearing my white go-to top from RW&CO. This is still available. I will link it down below. This blazer is also from RW&CO, but no longer available. I can link something similar down below. And regular silver jewelry. And then my shoes are from Globo. These I got last year but are still available, and I will link them below so you can shop something like a similar look if you're interested. But yeah, I really like the way that this look came together. Something a little bit different. I usually don't wear kind of like two more looser fitting items together, like this skirt and this blazer, but I really like the way it came together. And then on the agenda for the rest of the night, I was gonna go out with some friends for drinks, but I am just not feeling up to it. So the blinds are giving me some weird effects on my face. So I'm gonna get changed and just honestly keep it really low key, because I think yesterday I kind of worked myself up about finishing my work. So tonight I just want to kind of take some me time and take a chill night to myself. I think it's important to have like a night off and a night to yourself after you've had a hectic day. My day today was jam-packed. I had straight meetings from 9 to 4 and I'm just exhausted, but it did make the day go by really fast, and some urgent items came up, but everything is dealt with and I can come home very relaxed. Left my work laptop at work, so I don't have to think about any of that tonight. I'm gonna just hang out, make some food, maybe get some ice cream later, and just have a good night.